I'm going to show you pail handle repair and how to do it. This bucket, the original, I think it was a plastic handle that went around here. It's got old and brittle. Plastic dries out over time and broke, and it's fine if there's nothing in the bucket or very little. It's light, but once it gets heavy, it cuts into your hand. It's not fun. So what I've done is taken a piece of gas line, cut it for length, and then I cut through one part so I can slide it on here. There we go. And I'm going to keep that natural curve in it up. I'm going to take some electrical tape and basically wrap around and seal up the seam that was cut in that tape. Then it will have a nice cushion for handling if the bucket has heavy stuff, and it won't cut in your hand as much. It's a lot more comfortable. I tried taking off the ends of the metal ends of the handle here, but this bucket's getting old and the plastic's dry and brittle, and I tried to bend that out and it started to crack, so it's like, I don't want to break these, so decided to go with just cutting the gas line and putting the handle on there. So I'll finish wrapping this all the way across and it'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.